we just finished up with breakfast and Owen is over here playing with the little girls up top. So he's tracking little stuffed animals up to this, up to the landing for the little girls to try and catch.
You ready?
Yeah.
Berkeley.
Oh!
Mom.
Mom, you gotta take this.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. As you guys can see, we are not at home. Yesterday, we drove to St. George. This is where we're going to be spending the next couple of days with my sister and her family. This is our next time of vacation that we told you guys about. So we have a lot of fun coming up. But when we got here last night, our biggest issue we have with bringing our boat to St. George is that a lot of the condos that are rentals do not allow to have a trailer in the neighborhood. So we have to find some random spot to park the boat. Clay, luckily, when was that? Like,
I think it was last year or the year before.
Yeah.
We ended up finding a storage rental place, like a storage unit place, whatever. So I ended up sweet talking this lady into letting me park the boat in there. So last night I'm driving around trying to find another spot. Thought I'd just check around here. And I'm like, I'm just gonna drive there just in case, but it was late. I'm like, there's no way she's still gonna be there, right? So I get there and she's still at her desk. It says closed on the door. She's still at her desk. She sees me outside and she comes out. I'm just like, no way. Most people don't do that, right? It's like the whole shorts thing where they're just like,
true. They lock the doors and they're like, no.
I'm out of here.
Forget you.
Anyway, she walks out and I was like, hey, I don't know if you remember me, but a couple years ago I came here and you helped me out, you know, got me a spot to park my boat. And she's like, oh yeah. And sure enough, she helped us again, gave us a spot to park the boat. And first when we went there last time, she was gonna charge us like a full month's rent. And it was like $100 and something. And by the time we got done, she charged me $5. We went back to her and she helped us out last night, which was incredible because I could have spent most of the night. I could have spent like the whole night in a parking lot with the boat.
It's true.
Because
babysitting
exactly, because I wouldn't want to leave it. But luckily, there's still good people out there that helped us out.
Yes. So because we got here so late last night, that super kind lady just told Clay to quickly park the boat inside the gate so she could lock it up for the night. And now he has to run back, meet with her, get it paid for, work out all the details. I'm gonna run in, help my sister make breakfast, get the kids up, get going for the day so we can hit the lake. All right, while Clay's going to check on the boat, I'm gonna help my sister make breakfast really fast. Today we are having breakfast burritos. She's already got a good start on it. Right here we have hash browns. Over here we have the eggs and sausage and ham, and if we need, we'll cook the bacon. I don't think any of the kids are even awake yet.
No. Maybe woke up and went back to sleep.
You guys have all heard me talk a ton about my little sister, but she's been a little camera shy. I'm forcing her to be on camera today. So this is my little sister, Alex.
Hello.
Do you guys think we look alike? Everybody says we do.
I don't get it at all.
I don't get it either. I have blue eyes, she has brown eyes. We do talk the exact same. We laugh the exact same. So as far as that goes, we are definitely twins, but we don't really look that much alike.
I'm on my way down to deal with the boat, and the road I was just driving on has got a lot of rocks on top because they're getting ready to chip seal it. And I think I picked a few of those up in my tire because my rims just started squealing. And so I just stopped here at a gas station. I'm gonna get out, check it out, see if I can see anything that's obvious because it sounds awful. Just kind of look at each tire, see if I can see anything. When I pulled into the parking lot here, everybody was looking at me. Can't believe how loud it was. Look at kind of some scratches on the rotors, which I don't see any right there. This is where the brakes are. I don't feel any rocks in there. I'm sure there's probably one stuck inside there though. I'm not gonna be able to get my hands on. Probably just super small. It's the front tire. I don't see any scratches on that rotor. Check the other side real quick. No scratches on there. Nothing in that brake. Check the last tire right quick. I don't see anything wrong with that one either. So I didn't find anything obvious, but I'm gonna try driving it again here in this parking lot and see if it makes a noise. The rock decided it was not gonna ruin my day and flipped out of my tire, so luckily it's gone. Hopefully it didn't do any damage because it was sounding pretty bad, but I'm here at the storage unit place. Gonna go in and handle the boat real quick. The lady gave me a list of numbers right here to go check out. These are parking spots in the back. Just wanna find the one that works best for me. Here's where we parked the boat last night, just against the fence. Not really in a spot, but at least it got it inside and kept it safe. I'm just pulling around to the back right here. These are a bunch of spots right here against the mountain that they rent out. Looks like people park their trucks, camp trailers, semi trucks, everything right in here. I'm gonna take this one right here, number 6, right next to this camp trailer. That way I've got an easy shot right here as I come back, nice and straight coming in. I got everything squared away with the boat. I'm just gonna run back and have breakfast, help Teri get everything ready to go to the lake, and then we'll come back and pick the boat up. I just didn't want to take her right now because it would just be in the way and I'd end up blocking somebody's driveway in this complex that we're at. So we definitely don't want to do that, but we will come back here in a little bit.
We're gonna go wake up the kids for breakfast.
It smells like biscuits.
That's smelling like biscuits.
It's breakfast time! It's like biscuits? Where's Carmen?
Woke up and it smells like chicken. It smells like biscuits.
There's Carmen, and Austin, and Owen. Did you sleep good, Owie?
Yep.
You gonna make a burrito for her? Or just hash browns?
And sausage.
Claire is gonna sit outside here where it's super nice and warm, have her breakfast
In the shade.
in the shade. It's not that hot yet. It's gonna get way hotter today, I'm afraid.
Yeah.
You ready for it?
Are you ready for it?
Good thing we're going to the lake later,
Yeah.
so we can cool off. So this condo we are staying in doesn't have a great backyard. It's just got this little tiny patio area, so we don't have any place for the kids to really run and play. But the great thing is this place we're staying at has 2 pools. There is one that has like a waterfall, and there's one that's just a regular pool. Plus it has a hot tub. So there's lots of fun stuff to do at the pool. And I also think there is like a tennis court, maybe pickleball court. We did bring our pickleball stuff, so hopefully later we can find the pickleball courts, and that'll be super fun.
Yeah, when we come back from the lake or something like that.
Yeah, we can get a great game of pickleball going on. We just finished up with breakfast, and Owen is over here playing with the little girls up top. So he's tracking little stuffed animals up to this, up to the landing for the little girls to try and catch.
Ready?
Yeah.
Berkeley. Oh! Berkeley.
Oh, it's so close. I didn't catch it though.
Carmen. Oh, that's not bad.
So you have to run up and catch it as he throws it. Oh, get it!
No, it's gonna be way too far.
Mom.
Mom, you have to
The
catch
tree caught it.
I got it! I got it!
Berkeley.
Get it!
It's just, I got it! I caught it.
Good job. The kids are having a ton of fun here hanging out with their cousins, just laying around, chatting, playing games, and all the fun things. Guys, I wanted to show you around a little bit of where we're staying. This is the room that Clay and I are staying in. It's got a big, nice king bed. It's kind of a mess, but this is our room. Got a closet over there. Come out here, and we have a bathroom here. This is the bathroom that we're sharing with the kids. Most of the kids are bunking up in this room. We've got 2 double bunk beds here, TV. Guys, this TV also has a VHS player, which is so old school. It's kind of fun to see those. Come back out here, and there's another bedroom. More kids sleeping in here, the 2 double beds. It's this loft area right here where all the kids are playing and hanging out. All right, so right here, this over here is the front door where you walk in. This door comes in off the garage. In here we have another big master. This is where my sister and her husband are sleeping. There's a bathroom over here. And then we just have the big open kitchen, living room, table, all the things. Guys, we are so excited to be in St. George for the next couple of days, hanging out with my sister and her family. We love them. We get along with them super great. Our kids all get along. Austin and Erica are the same age, and Owen and Camry are the same age, and then Carmen and Berkeley are the same age. Claire and Camry get along great, and it's just amazing to hang out with them, spend time with them, and we're super excited to be here with them. Guys, thanks for coming along with us. We hope you guys will come back tomorrow and see all the fun lake adventures we have coming up, and then we'll be spending time in the pool, so there's lots of fun stuff. Be sure to come back and hang out with us tomorrow. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys back here tomorrow.